Dear children, today I am going to tell a story called The Foolish Stag. Once a stag was drinking water at a stream. He saw his reflection in the clear water of the stream. He felt proud of his beautiful horns. He pressed them in his mid. Then he looked at his thin leg. He hated them for their ugliness. Meanwhile, some hound appeared there when the stag saw them. He ran to save his life. But his horns were caught in a bush. Hard to free himself, but in vain. In the meantime, the hound came up to him and tore him into pieces. Moral: all that glitter is not gold. Dear children, if you like a story, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to comment now. I will meet you in our next video. Bye.